everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Hiyashi Tanuki Udon. Hiyashi means chilled. Tanuki means raccoon, but it has nothing to do with raccoon. Tanuki Udon is udon noodles topped with tenkatsu or tempura bits. Today I'm going to show you how to make summer version of it. Let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Frozen udon noodles. There are 5, but I'm using 4. Mentsuyu, onsen tamago, cucumber, tempura bits, and dried wakame seaweed. Let's prepare the toppings. Wakame seaweed in a bowl. Put plenty of cold water. Let it sit for 5 minutes to rehydrate. And cucumber. Cut the top and the bottom off. And let's make very thin diagonal slices first. Then julienne into very thin strips. Very thin strips. Wakame seaweed is rehydrated, so let's drain this and squeeze it well to remove all the excess water. So I have rehydrated wakame seaweed, thin strips of cucumber, tempura bits, and onsen tamago, all the toppings ready to go. Now the sauce or the broth. My homemade mentsuyu is condensed type, so I need to dilute this using water. And I normally do 2 to 1. I have 200 milliliter water here, as I'm adding 100 milliliter mentsuyu in here. And the broth or the sauce is ready. Let's cook this frozen udon noodles in this plenty of boiling water. Don't force to release the noodles. Just let it release naturally. About how many minutes to cook, just follow the instruction on the package of your udon noodles. While you cook the udon noodles, prepare a strainer in the sink and also ice water, plenty of it. Udon noodles are cooked, so let's drain it. I'm going to rinse this udon noodles really well under running water to remove all the stickiness on the surface of the udon noodles. You can rub it aggressively like that. And then into ice water. And it's time to serve. Some udon noodles in the serving bowl. Strips of cucumber, wakame seaweed, onsen tamago, make a little hole in the middle and let's put this in here. Tempura bits, mentsuyu, and Hiyashi Tanuki Udon is ready to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!